What up, what up? Welcome back, everybody. Hopefully, well, most certainly, I'm sure, CPI should bring us some movement here. We've been in a range since Monday, basically. Yeah, very slow week, very slow week. GJ, yeah, nice bars on Monday. Rest of the week was ranging. Today we had those sells playing out below 159, 940. So hourly candle closed below that support. You had clean candles to the left. I ended stream early, just based off it being a CPI day and not too much happening. But the signal was given in the Discord. I know it's not available to you guys just yet, but we're busy doing a trial run and getting that ready for you guys for next month. So just to show you the signal. GJ. So yeah, we had that sell stop at 159, 830. Trade review. There we go. But anyway, that's not why we're here today. We're here for CPI. We already did a CPI prep earlier today with some scenarios painted out. So forecast, if numbers come out as forecasted or lower than forecasted, that means that we are continuing to see improved inflation, that the increasing of interest rates has started to pay off. And throughout last year we saw the Fed increasing interest rates and that having or bringing a lot of demand to the dollar, and we saw gold very bearish. So now we're seeing the opposite. Alright, with inflation getting better the last two CPI reports, we've had the Fed slowly stepping off the gas and we've had a rally up on gold. So now today will be very important to see, are we still really improving? Is inflation still getting better? If not, if we get CPI numbers higher than previous, showing that okay, CPI or inflation is maybe not improving as quickly as we thought, then the Fed will continue or will need to continue to increase rates and hold rates higher for longer. And we could see that demand in the dollar come back into the picture, and we could see these gold sells play out. So here I've got gold sells marked out below 1880, 1875 and 1868. So I will be waiting for the news to be released. We will most likely, if numbers come out higher than previous, see very heavy gold sells, and I will be scaling into a lower time frame to wait for just a minor pullback to catch some sort of continuation. If numbers come out somewhere between forecasted and previous, so between 6.5 and 7.1, then we could just see a little liquidity grab, but still looking to continue moving up here because that still shows us signs of improved inflation. So yeah, we can see previous was 7.1, forecasted is 6.5. I've got top chat on here. I think I missed someone's message. What means CPI? Consumer Price Index. More importantly, you should be asking, what is Forex Factory? Because you clearly do not have Forex Factory. So you need to have a look at something like Forex Factory or investing.com. You know, if you're not having a look at these sites, you're clearly neglecting the fundamentals. So go and have a look at Forex Factory or investing.com. Go and find yourself the economic calendar here on one of these sites. They both offer them, and you will see these economic events that are upcoming. So we can see here, Forex Factory, we've got CPI at 3:30, and if you click on it, if you click on the folder here, you will see Consumer Price Index, and it will tell you what it's about. Change in price of goods and services purchased by consumers. No. Yeah. My investing.com looks perfectly fine. What's up, Jared?
Don't you come with that cuck. Your investing.com does not look like at all.
Bro, it looks clean. This looks modern.
No, dude.
Yours looks like the first version of Windows.
Nah, dude, yours looks terrible. Yours looks like a child drew it.
Bro, this is classy. This is like iOS 20.
Nah, dude. That literally looks like a Nokia 3310. That's what you'd get investing.com on.
Yeah, Jared. Too
Dude.
much, bro.
No, it has to happen, dude. You know we have to roast you about it every time we see it.
What do you mean? You're using the old version.
Nah,
This is
dude,
the new improved version.
you are literally using the South African version, and I'm using the American version.
No. I saw someone actually, like, he's not from here, that's for sure. I saw someone
Yeah,
else using investing.com on IG
yeah,
for the first time. I don't see many people use it.
yeah. I must admit, I don't. I would rather use Forex Factory, but I'm so used to Forex.com.
Wayne says hit the like button. Or stream ends at 29 past 3.
We're gonna do something called a rug pull today. So the stream's gonna end just after Connor says, "Okay, guys, we're gonna take positions here, and what we're gonna do is," and then and keep on tuning in. So you guys will see it.
Imagine.
Yeah, that'd be a bit rough, eh?
Nah, I don't think that qualifies as a rug pull. We need to be getting something out of that. Like the crypto boys.
Yeah, we need to pump and dump here. Eh?
Monster Money
Yes.
Coin.
Oh, dude, Pipcoin. Do you remember that by all Ref Wayne? Eh?
Are you serious?
Yeah, dude, he made a coin called Pipcoin, and he priced it at
Sheesh.
100 Rand a coin, and they were worth nothing, and people bought them.
Did it pump, eh?
No, because people were buying like a non-existent coin. They were paying
Uh,
$100 for this thing, but they never really got anything of value. So
uh,
it's like, how can you charge when Bitcoin came out like $100 a Bitcoin, but the price of it was non-existent, like was a couple of cents.
fuck.
Yeah, it was fucking
My
rubbish. Eh?
favorite is the actual coins, dude. Like the hard Bitcoin.
Yeah.
You know, you can buy like one off eBay or something.
Holy shit.
And then old people like they don't really grasp the concept of crypto. So you tell them Bitcoin and you show them a coin like, oh, how much?
Yeah,
Oh no
like
no,
when
I'll give
you
you good price. I'll give you good price.
like when you fix your grandparents' TV by plugging in a cable here or something stupid like that, and then they
They
praise you,
think you're a
man.
genius.
Yeah, you restart the Wi-Fi and now they think you're some IT
Oh,
bot.
such a clever boy.
You look skinny. Let's make you something to eat.
Da 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 da. Yeah, I mean, there's not too much to talk about. I think we've been preparing for this the whole day. Indices, you'll most likely see the same effect as on gold. So US 30, for instance, improved numbers, looking to move up, higher than expected or higher than previous, and we're looking to move back down.
You can still hear me, like I'm not like cutting out or anything like that.
Yeah.
Okay, shit.
You say we're taking souls today? You know, in the back of my mind, I was thinking like, I wouldn't mind gambling, just taking souls before. I wouldn't do that on stream because people take the trades that I take on stream. So I would never do that. But I spoke myself out of it because what's the point? I'm trying to catch the top. It's retarded. I'm thinking, like, actually, if you zoom out on gold, we are very much bullish. To try and force a sell right now, maybe it plays out. Sheesh, wow, amazing. I have an awesome screenshot for Instagram, but it's retarded. If I can rather just wait for the news to come out and I see, okay, inflation is higher, we are most likely going to see that dollar domination come back into the picture. I'm going to catch sells. Eventually, I'm going to get my piece of the pie. I don't need to be first. So I just spoke myself out of it. No gambling. Just, I'll wait for news to be released. I do think that sells, obviously, it depends how the numbers come out. Let's just say that. Let's leave it at that.
And also with that trying to catch the top, that's exactly it. You're doing it because you want to like an Instagram story. Where in actual fact, if you try to catch the top the whole day today, you probably would have got burnt every single trade in anticipation. Let's rather wait, let the news come out, let the candles do their thing, and then we're gonna wait for confirmation and setup we like. Even if it only comes tomorrow, Monday, Tuesday, doesn't matter. There's no point in trying to force positions now.
Are you ready?
Yeah. Buy stop sells. No, I'm kidding.
3, 2, 1. So, no, I'm joking. Don't do that.
Yeah.
Fuck, it just pulled. Oh my god, souls would have been
Oh my
lovely.
word. Yes, 200 pips off the rip. But you see, you guys are probably thinking, oh my word, I would have made so much money selling. You probably would have only got filled at like 1876.
You would have had to take that before.
Yeah, but yeah.
And look,
I mean,
it's
you
already
would have
retraced like 100 pips. Fuck me.
Dude, not even like 200 pips.
Okay, CPI. Let's see it.
Okay, so
as expected. Yo, bars. Holy shit. Why are these numbers all as expected?
Hey, Mr. Niku.
Holy fuck. Yeah, I think we're looking good for bars here. Need to just be patient. We could just skyrocket now, but I want to see some sort of confirmation.
And just to also now show you guys exactly what you meant, if we took a sell, it was literally, I don't even think it's been 2 minutes, it's been a minute and a little bit, and gold has literally pulled down 200 pips and reversed 200 pips.
It's mad.
So if you're not literally a robot, or you probably either would have got slipped or you would be FOMOing right now. You would have seen, oh, I was in $1,000 profit 30 seconds ago. Let me just hold, it'll go back. And then when it gets to 1,000, I'll close. No. If now it's retraced, it would have hit break even. If you're in that position, you're done for the day. There's no point in fighting it.
Yo, Mr. Nico. Nico got the cells, bro.
Yeah,
Fucking
dude, he messaged me as well. I'm like, oh shit, well done, dude.
monkey.
Yeah, we actually need to call him more. So you know how he does it, that so.
So yeah, you see that there's also it would not have been beneficial to rush into buys here straight off the rip either. There's no confirmation right now.
So all this means to me is either we've grabbed a lot of liquidity to continue on moving up, or another point, we have a target for sells to do a wick fill later on in the session. So let's
Yeah.
wait for maybe a 15-minute candle closure. Let's see if the next one, if this closes bearish, and then maybe we can look for a position where we go to for the wick. But on this candle, I don't see myself taking anything.
I don't see cells with the way the numbers came out.
Yeah.
That's very good for inflation. Very, very good. We did have a pullback and retest of 1885, so we actually look good here as we're breaking highs. Highs on the break of those highs, right?
I'm not gonna get in on this candle, to be honest with you. Just personally. Know what I mean? Are
Looks
you gonna get
solid.
it?
No, I'm just staying patient here. I'd like to see the 5-minute close at least.
But I remember the days when these positions would come out and you'd be like smacking like 10 cells, then the candle would flip and you'd be smacking 10 bars. And then here you eventually when you wipe your eyes you paid so much commission you could have bought yourself a Lambo. I'm gonna just wait for, either for NYSE to first get closure and better direction. Yeah. Can you hear that wind?
Mm.
Wait, I'm gonna sort that out.
Yeah, this 1-minute candle closed above and this wick has basically retested previous highs here at 1889. I think we're just going to continue to push here. So, I failed to execute on anything here. Just got to stay patient. Next option for me is a retracement here. A retest of these previous highs. And then get those buys.
Yeah, maybe a pullback into that resistance would be nice. And then we could hunt for 1900. What's the background noise? Can you hear it badly?
A little
Not
bit.
too bad. Let me put my gate up a little bit.
So yeah, the analysis was on point. Just struggled to execute. There was a little bit of a tough situation. Stops would have been massive. But yeah, with the way the numbers came out, I mean, played out as planned. Strong bars. We did get that liquidity grab though. And there's still possibilities here for a retracement, pullback, support formed, and then we get the bars.
Yes, but that was one massive ass candle, eh? From top to bottom, it moved 300 pips from 1870 to 1900.
I don't think it's stopping. I think we're gonna go to 1907.
Could be.
This definitely was actionable. The numbers were good enough to be taking buys here. Yo, it was just tricky with the stop loss, man. Stops were huge. Maybe that retest This looks like a retest here of 1885. That looks solid. But yeah, very, very volatile. Lots of volume. Very big 1 minute candles. So you want to be patient. Want to be cautious. No need to rush anything.
If you do execute, what percentage of risk are you going to put on the table?
Like 1%.
Okay, I think I'm going to go half risk. I'm going to risk 0.5.
I lie, sorry. I'm just going to use my normal risk, like 2, 3.
Okay.
But yeah, I mean, advisable to rather just risk like 1%. I don't know if you guys can hear that. There's like a foghorn in the background.
Nah, I can't hear that. Dude, I checked. There was this thing you could download on your computer. That's what this oak was doing. Was they're literally hitting his head. He had a helmet on with a hammer, and a fan was going, and you couldn't hear the background noise. And then they were selling the software, and I was like, oh wait, I'm gonna buy that software. Then you needed a certain graphics card to run it, and I don't have that one. I was like, oh fuck, man, the graphic card is so expensive. I was like, yeah, that's ridiculous.
What was that, like that sound suppression software?
I don't know if it's sound suppression or what it was, but it was like it basically could just focus on one sound. So you could like set it somehow to your voice, then it only picks up your voice, nothing else. Like he literally had a fan right on his shoulder, and somebody was hitting his head. So there was like a ka 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 ka. You didn't hear either of them when you turned on the software. I was like, damn, that's cool.
That's cool.
Cool.
Okay, so we're getting a nice retracement here. Quite a significant area around 1892. Yeah, nice little retest on the 1 minute of 1892. Support formed. Can look for some buys right there. Although we also have a 4-hour candle closing soon. It may also just pay to wait for a 4-hour candle closure. And then we could be looking at like a wick fill on the new 4-hour.
This time of the day to trade when the 4-hour comes to close is tricky, eh?
Yeah.
But I mean, all these are actually expected with the festive season, because everybody spends money in this festive season.
What is that?
So, I mean, with the festive season now happening,
Mm.
everybody's spending money. Absolutely everybody's, hiring new people to like meet the demand. So I can see why like initial jobless claims, well, that's lower. Yeah. Sure, dude.
This looks like a
Always,
nice little support here on 1 minute.
yeah. Give up buying. Did you give me a
Yeah.
heads up so I can put the. Are we gonna go new 50-minute candle?
No, I'm gonna take bars right here. Okay, I've taken bars right here, base over 1 minute, forming support. Stops below this previous. Stops at 1891.
Where's your entry?
We're sitting at my entry right now. Sorry, my entry is 1894.7. Stop loss is at 1891.
Oh, signal also sent.
Laka.
TP? I think, oh, let's do break-even points.
Break-even points. Previous highs here at 1899.
Okay, wait, and that signal has been sent. Let's go, gold. Let's go. Where's Niku? We need our clapper. What do you rate, Con?
Yeah, that clap is what did it, eh?
Yeah.
I'm gonna have my stops at 1890, 1890.5.
$18.90.5.
Yeah, not getting that push up like we were wanting. I was expecting after formed support here to at least come back up to these highs.
Could just be like a double bottom type vibes as
Mm.
well.
But yeah, if we're coming down, we could come back down and retest previous highs here at 1888.
Wait, there we go.
There we go. To the left, 1892 is quite a significant area. Just these 1 minute candles are so big, man.
Do you know of 94.7, the radio station?
What is it?
A radio station.
What is the channel though? Like, what's the name of the channel?
94.7.
Is that the name of it?
Yeah.
Isn't it like KFM or something?
No. It's literally called 94.7.
Oh, no, I don't know it.
Whenever I hear of 94.7, I always sing that fucking song in my head.
I don't know what song you're talking about, Jared.
Yeah, 94.7.
No, please.
Wait, okay, let me ask you a familiar one. Do you know that song about Bathroom Bazaar?
Oh yeah, no, I hate that thing. Do you know I'll Go FM?
Nah.
I'll go. Nah.
E-I-Z-Z-A-R-E.
Heartfelt. That's the name of it.
Isn't it? I swear it was 94.7.
No, that's just the frequency. Surely it has a name. Heartfelt.
Okay, I'm a dumbass. Yeah. Thank you, Mr. Bukala.
Traders FM.
Today on Traders FM, we're going to be speaking about stop losses. There's me in the back. Oh, fuck.
Not again. I would like to be in a position to manage risk before the 4-hour candle closure. That 4-hour could easily bring us a steeper bottom wick or a bottom wick on the new 4-hour. Retesting this previous resistance at 1889.
I'm currently about 13 pips up there.
Yeah, I'm about 8.
8 pips.
You must have just got in. It must have retraced a little bit when you got in. Fucking hell, 5 pips.
8. Are you sure you're only 8 pips up?
Yeah. Or maybe that just, maybe it just pulled back before I checked.
What is your entry?
94.7.
Okay, alright. Oh, but it is moving quite quickly, so I guess that explains it.
After this 5-minute, we should just boost here.
Good. Somebody give this thing some steroids.
Pardon?
Somebody give this thing some steroids.
Jared, we don't condone the use of steroids here, okay?
I don't know. You know about that, sir?
I'll leave the steroids to you, okay? You and Stev.
Oh, yeah, I want to know where Steve went, sir.
I wonder if he's alive, bro.
What?
I wonder if he's alive.
Yeah, I haven't heard from that Akin forever, to be honest with you. So, yeah, just disappeared there. At least if chat is wondering, Steve was this amazing guy. A man of legend. Tales.
Stev came and spoke shit in the chat on a daily basis and then disappeared.
Yeah, I'm going break even here.
Yeah, nice. I just
As
want to
you
see us
said.
push up into these highs. Five-minute looks solid. Looks like we could fill this wick quite easily. Keeping in mind, guys, fundamentals are what drives the market. We have this fundamental, solid fundamental data here. Solid. It's not mixed or anything. It's just beautiful, very strong. Supporting gold bars.
Have you gone BE or not?
Not yet. Not a bad idea at all. We are what, like 27, 30 pips up? Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Look, as we're moving up
pips.
into these highs.
Yeah, I've got 30 pips roughly, so I've gone break even.
Alright, yeah, I'm going break even. Currently sitting at about 35 pips up. As we move into these highs, I'm going to secure partials here.
Okay.
So I'm going to close half right here at about 35 pips. And leaving runners into 1907.
That I think that honestly deserves a W spam, eh?
Surely.
I got about 34 pips. I closed half. Hey, Easy money, easy money.
Yeah, I got about 35, 34 as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, just looking to continue pushing up here. Nice, one done. We waited for the news to be released. No gambling.
Oh, lovely,
Ooh, as we break those
lovely.
highs, getting a nice push here.
I'm gonna close full at 1900, eh?
Yeah, 1900 is a pretty solid level as well. We just need to be aware that that's a psychological level. We could see reactions there.
I didn't manage to close full yet, but I'm moving my take profit to 1900, so that'll be 53 pips.
Jared, did you manage to get the signal in?
Yeah, I did.
That's amazing, dude.
Sure, I did.
Thank you for that.
Hey, no stress. Yeah, if you go check the Discord, it's all there, and you can go timestamp it. So,
Yo.
that's
Hey,
a perfect.
hey, chat, look at that. Imagine you're in the signal group, you're busy at work. You just got this message like, oh, gold bars. In, made some quick money, go buy your girlfriend a handbag. You know, happy spouse, happy house, happy wife, happy life. And then you go on with your day, link up with the boys later on, buy a bottle of Don. Easy living, you know? You don't even need to do the work.
No. Jeza has got you sorted, eh, Reese?
What?
I don't know why the fuck he calls me Jeza.
Yeah, bro, Jezza. We should actually call you Jezza.
You don't call me that crap, dude. That's between me and Reese, bro.
Jezza.
Yes, okay. I'm completely out at 53 pips.
Shishi. TP for me is at 1907. Pushing.
Dude, I think in Zulu, Jeza means prostitute.
Wouldn't be surprised, bro. It
Could be
explains a
wrong,
lot.
man. Oh, listen to this, okay. Wow. You see the abuse the top signal seller in the world gets here. Hasn't sold a single signal to date.
Don't worry, they're coming in hot. I'm gonna post this trade on my story and say thanks for the signals, Monster Money Trading.
Yeah. Hashtag triple F. Hashtag Frederick van Vieren van Push.
FFS.
For fuck's sake. I would honestly, Con, that was very, very well done.
Thank you, bro. Yeah, that was clean, eh?
That was all you did. That was all you. Is your back sore, by the way?
Oh,
I'm carrying me around.
so,
From carrying this tea, man.
okay, chat. I'm gonna close another 25% right here. Just because we have the 4-hour candle coming to a close soon. We're sitting around that 1900 level. So, nice, solid 62 pips secured here. Look at that retracing. Perfect closure. Yeah, closed out at 64 pips there.
Oh, yeah. You do all done, eh? Just for signal channel's sake, because I sent the message closing full, I'm gonna document it as 53 pips, eh?
Okay, cool.
Okay, and then, like, sometimes stream will get a bit more than the signals channel, or vice versa, you know what I mean?
Okay.
How many views do we have at the moment?
Only 30 on.
But you don't usually trade New York, so I guess.
Yeah, no, it's always less in New York. It's crazy though, like the news streams always pop off. That's why they'll be in the private channel.
Yeah.
This is too much heat for just a free stream.
Yeah. Can you please explain how does the pairs react to positive and negative news? Like if the USD news is positive, how will USD JPY react and vice versa?
I'm assuming you are referring to CPI. Do yourself a favor and go have a look at this morning stream. We did a CPI prep. Spoke a lot about why the market would react this way according to the numbers. So we had these ideas planned out. If numbers came out as forecasted or lower than forecast, strong gold buys. That's what we executed on here today. But like I say, go and watch that stream. I'm about to be off here, to be honest. We've explained this a couple times today already. Also have a look at the Discord. There is some information in there.
Did you post it to the public?
I never actually know. Let's have a quick look here. Just give you guys a taste. You know, right now we're still doing a trial run. Can I show them, Jared?
Yeah, of course. No worries.
So yeah, just to give you guys a taste of what to expect. And I think next time, because this was a lot to type out, I think it would be easier and better to explain in a video. So next time I might do a video which would be available to members. But yeah, you can see we gave the different scenarios that we were looking for to the members. And then the stream would actually be for members from next month onwards. If we see third CPI report come out improved lower, it'll be a very good sign for inflation and support Fed pivot prayers, meaning less aggressive interest rate increases, dollar weakness, US equities and gold bulls. You may think improved inflation is good for the dollar, but if we reflect on the bear market on gold and US equities last year, alongside CPI data and FOMC interest rate decisions, we can start to paint a picture of what has been driving the markets. Last year we saw majority of CPI releases come out high, showing high inflation. This led to strong bearish moves on gold and US equities. Reason being the high inflation translates to the Federal Reserve or central banks needing to be more aggressive with interest rate increases to slow down spending and bring down inflation. Yeah, a lot of information here.
If you guys would like to obviously go back and read it, you can take a photo of it, screenshot it, or it will be saved on the stream. If you would like to go and do a bit more of an in-depth read and just understand it. But yeah, chats, honestly, I think that's going to be us for today. Hope you guys spend those pips wisely. Yeah,
I'm out of here.
And we're going to be bouncing. Hope you guys have a good one, eh?
Okay, cool.
Yeah, chat. Thanks for joining, everybody.
Cool, thank you for joining, guys. I got my TP at 1907. I'm not gonna stick around here. I don't see the point in sticking around. Giving you guys 60 pips for free. You know, I got to get off to gym here. I got my stop loss at break even, so risk-free trade. Looks pretty good to keep on pushing here. We are about 70 pips from TP, so just got a small position left, and I'm gonna let it run. Cool. Cheers, everybody. Thank you for joining. Let's just see if it breaks the highs and pushes.
Okay.
2 seconds.
Let's go gold. Let's go. Let's go gold. Let's go.
Man just wants to get to gym before rush hour.
Yeah, I get you.
Have you been to gym today, Jared?
Yeah.
Yo.
Just before my battery story.
Shit.
Yeah, that battery was expensive.
How much?
1,100 bucks.
Yeah.
It's not too bad because it's a once in every 2 years expense, but still, yeah.
Okay, chat. I'm out.